Good morning to one all present here. Today we are going to see a case study on a CAD technology in jewelry industries. Nowadays we are getting jewels in different designs because they are started using the CAD software for their design purpose. Here the abstract is they represents the implementations of CAD process in the jewelry design and the manufacturing industry. Here they uses a two software called the Matrix and the Rhino for designing the jewelry. The quantifications is compared to the conventional methods in terms of time management, quality of product, manufacturing factors, the criteria to be considered for method comparison process, also for the technical parameters, and in case of two different CAD software here they have used. Here the keywords given is the keyword, the CAD, Rhinoceros and the Matrix 7. Introduction. Here, the basic software being used in jewelry industries nowadays is a computer-aided design CAD to create an images and virtual models for making the jewelry. So, here they following the 3 steps rapid prototype for following the making a design using a CAD software. Step 1 used for creating a 3D model by using different design soft skill. Second step is the computer-aided design which is used for computer-aided engineering, used for verifying a 3D model and its accuracy. And then a computer-aided manufacturing, used for making an RPT model of CAD product design. So they started the design by using the CAD software 3D model, and then they used in computer-aided engineering for verifying the 3D model and for its accuracy and precision. And then they used the computer-aided manufacturing for its the model of product design. CAD has developed a drastic creativity in the design sector of jewelry industry, which is still in nascent stage to the jewelry market, largely due to this traditional outlook and view of many jewelry. Introducing the technologies brought to numerous jewelry manufacturing services for enabling by using the CAD/CAM facilities. In this case study, they have made an literature survey by using the rapid prototyping and tooling technology paper for jewelry CAD software. Here the theoretical framework, here they have taken the 2 case studies for the implementations of CAD software in designing the jewelry. Case study based on making a CAD model on different software and quantified with the technical parameters. Here they followed the 3 methodology. Step 1 is the development of 2-dimensional image constructive design structure. Step 2 is the transformations of the 2D image into the 3D image. And then step 3 is the dimensional modeling and the constructions. And they have followed some strategies like technical statistical analysis by comparing the designs with the another software. The above one is they use the Matrix 7 software for making the design. Also they uses the Rhinoceros as another one software for designing the jewelry. Here they have taken one of the model as a ring for designing using the CAD software. Here some of they given the data for a CAD proficiency. They take 3 to 6 months for implementing that CAD into their systems. To complete one design it takes 3 hours, so it will make a very fast. So approximately they have given is number of designs can be made per day on the average is 10 to 8 hours. Here CAD software model per month and then CAD model cost per month has been here given. Gem Vision Matrix. One software they used is Rhinoceros. Another one the software they have used is Gem Vision Matrix. This is also a jewelry specific software which is plug-in as like an Rhino, where the parametric jewelry related features, so the fast and easy to construct and control and change the designs as to the customer request. Here as like Rhinoceros software, the Matrix 7 software also we have some CAD proficiency, the time, the investment, the monthly productivity, these are all they have mentioned. Here they have given comparisons between the Matrix and the Rhinoceros, based on the parameter of accuracy, compatibility, flexibility, ease of use, productivity and the rating. Here they are given is Matrix software is best compared to the Rhinosys because of the time and then easy modifications and changes and accuracy. They have given each based on the point of 6 steps, engineering, accuracy, precisions, and then the import and export more than the 50 compatibility enhancement in the matrix, whereas similar to matrix Rhinosys software, import and export more than 50 or 100. So here CAD software conclusions, Rhinosys and the matrix. CAD design per day is a 2.2 model and then 4 model. CAD programmed learning day is 30, here the 25. Rating case study 4.1, the matrix is 4.8. So here the best software for designing the jewelry is matrix CAD software. Conclusions here they given is, this is based on the case study on 2 software which basically used in jewelry designs, qualifications done on measure of productivity, investment, approach to accuracy and flexibility. So by implementing this CAD technology or CAD software into the jewelry design, they can increase their productivity, reduce their investment, and the accuracy has been increased and flexibility is increased. Here the matrix software has the engineering approach of parametric and non-parametric for producing jewelry 3D CAD models with high productivity rate, high rate accuracy, and quick editing in models possible wherever the requirements of the customer in jewelry designs. Good presentation tool with rendering images and animation tools for sales and marketing given. This approach will increase the sales as well as reduce the cost of maintaining physical inventory of model. Thank you.